I don't know why. Oh what? You say, oh. I think you too loyal. You say, I think you too loyal, girl.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Princess Monet, and today I'm back with another video. As you can tell, the background is different, and that is because I'm at my aunt's house. I really wanted to spend time with her today, but I really wanted to try my new palette, which I'm so excited about. So I'm gonna be using the Amrezy palette. Hold on, can you see it? Yeah. So I bought this palette the other day and I've been dying to use it. I had to exchange the one that I had before this because a lot of them came broken. I'm not sure why, but it was a little frustrating, a little annoying. So I had to go back, return it, and then I got a new one, and this is what it looks like. If those of you who don't know, this is like a dream palette for me. I love her. I love Nicki Minaj, and she's like a big Nicki Minaj fan, which gets me hype. And actually one of the shades is called Barb, and it's a really pretty like shimmering color. Let me show you the inside. It has a mirror and it has a brush, and these are the colors, and we're gonna excuse my nails because they're tragic. This is what they look like. So freaking pretty. So real quickly, my first impressions is that this is bomb. It feels really nice. It's like super glittery and the color is very pretty. I love the names. I can't wait to try it. So the first shade is Wasted. Then we have Barb, Liddy, Cupcake, Dragon, Leo, Gemini, Georgina, Rezi, Anastasia, New Yorker, OG, Semsa, 1988, BK, and Yugo. I have no idea what look I'm gonna do or anything like that, or if this is gonna be a voiceover, because I actually want to watch Tyler Perry's A Fall from Grace on Netflix. I feel like I just recently had like a hot pink look, and for my birthday I did. So I don't know if I should do one again or not. I'm gonna just wing it. I don't even know what brushes to use. TBH. To prime my eyelids, I'm gonna use this Morphe eyelid primer, and it looks like this. So I'm gonna put this as my base so I can put the eyeshadow over it, and the eyeshadow can stay for a longer period of time. And the eyeshadow won't crease as much as it would if you do not apply this. And a little bit goes a long way, so you do not have to really press down on it. So if I'm not using this right here, I use my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Sand, which is what I use to contour. I just dab that over my eyelids, and then if you have like really light colors, it brightens it up because it's like a white base. So for the first shade, I'm going to use New Yorker, which is this one right here, and I'm just going to cover my entire lid with that. How much?
I took 4 points.
Oh, great. So this is where the conversation starts going left and inappropriate. So we're going to mute everything else. We're going to play some music. I'm going to be jumping in and explaining what I'm doing as I'm doing it. And I do hope you guys enjoy this video. And yeah, let's get it. Next, I'm going to go in with this pretty brown shade in the color 1988. And I'm just going to be placing that right below where I placed that transitioning shade. And later on, as it gets deeper and deeper the color, I do go in with a thicker brush and start blending out the edges. this part, I went in with the shade Semsa, and I did use the brush that the palette came with. I used like that flat side, and I did pack on that pretty color. It's like a raspberry, I'm not even sure, but I love it. It's beautiful, and it blended it really well with the brown. So I just placed that all over on the bottom of my lid, and of course I did that on both eyelids. So I was dying to use the shade Liddy, and if you do have this palette and you look really closely, it is like a hint of gold with a raspberry color. So I was like, wow, this is low-key perfect. So I did pack this on half of the eyelid. I didn't completely make my eyes glittery, but I did fill it up to the middle of the eyelid. And the reason why I did spray the brush was so that, you know, it could be like really intense and not just like a light glitter. I wanted it to really show. Especially when you take pictures. Oh my god, it's beautiful. So for this part, I used the shade Barb, which is like a light pink filled with glitter, and I decided to put that on the inner corner just for an extra pop, and as you can tell, that worked. And I think I do put this under the brow bone. I'm not sure if I added it in the video, but I definitely added this shade of Barbie under my brow bone on both of them, of course, and it looked beautiful. So for the rest of the video, I am going to be doing what I normally do. So if you want to know exactly what products I'm using and what shades I'm using, you can definitely watch like my previous videos. I always explain it, but I'm just contouring my face and adding like some bronzer, some highlight, and that was pretty much it for this look. Okay, so I totally forgot that I also bought this that same day that I bought the palette. So I have these Anastasia Beverly Hills lip kit. It has the lipstick, and I believe it comes with 3, and then it comes with 2 lip glosses, which I mixed 2 shades and I used the lip gloss. I don't have them with me right now, but if you guys are interested in what shade I use, comment below and I will get that information for you. And to me personally, I feel like the lip combo was so bomb. But yeah, this is it for the final look, you guys. I don't know why, but the lighting makes my face super duper like pale looking. But I promise you, it was not like that at all. Like, I took multiple pictures and it did not look like that. But if you guys like this look, which I hope you do, please give me a big thumbs up, comment below, and please subscribe. Love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one.